Trendy fashion rules are for people who want to blend in. Over the years, I've especially enjoyed helping women who have become empty nesters rediscover themselves and feel empowered through color science and personal style. And as you listen to my podcast, you may want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Simple wardrobe tweaks can change everything. Watch me turn a few basics into 8 confident outfits in minutes. This is going to be perfect for you if your closet is full, but you feel like nothing works together, and you want mornings to feel easy again. The method is basically 3 steps, no fashion degree required, and it honors your coloring and your lifestyle. Yeah, the stakes are pretty real. A lot less decision fatigue, fewer random choices of purchases, and a style that reflects who you are now, not who you were 5 years ago. So here's how we're going to start in your closet today. So we're going to build your base, and the foundation is 4 matching basics in one neutral that instantly creates a cohesive capsule. So go ahead, go to your closet, and I'm going to ask you to please pull a jacket, skirt, slacks, and vest all in the same neutral, like black, navy, brown, or gray. Now, matching neutrals are going to streamline every choice because now you have everything talking to each other. This step removes the visual clutter and gives you a dependable home base for mixing. So now you've got a calm closet, and it's going to help you show up as the woman you're becoming, not the one who's stuck. You've got fewer morning decisions, which reclaims your energy for the day. And of course, again, you're going to stop chasing after that one piece that never quite works as much as you wanted to. So with your base set, we're going to add one more piece that quietly multiplies your options. And that piece is a very versatile blouse that is going to unlock 8 outfits from your base without shouting for attention. So pick a blouse that pairs with the jacket, skirt, slacks, and vest that you pulled. And color does matter. Pick a hue that complements your complexion. If you're a winner, white is an awesome choice for you. And of course, there's a cooler skin tones or soft muted shades that are going to blend well. A subtle color because softer colors are less memorable, so you can repeat without feeling repetitive. So a good tip is avoid red as your daily driver because it can overpower and it will become recognizable. You want to look consistently polished, not, oh, same top, different day. Confidence, that right undertone near your face, brightens your features and your mood. And if your goal is to have at least 4 basic clothing capsules for work or play, don't make it harder to grab my basic wardrobe selections for your clothing selections. It's quite easy to follow, and you can dress with confidence. It's in the description below. So, with one blouse, you're multiplying your looks. And the next move we'll talk about doubles your versatility again. And that is a second neutral base that turns mixing into effortless elegance and expands your combinations. So pick another jacket, skirt, slacks, and vest in a different neutral. If you chose black to start, gray is a great second neutral, or navy blue. You're going to mix your sets, black slacks, gray jacket, and the white blouse, or it's always going to be timeless and modern. This creates a cross-talk, as it were, between the pieces, so that the capsules behave like a much larger wardrobe. Do you travel for work? Now you can pack much lighter and get more outfits. And if plans change, zero panic, everything's in your suitcase. You've got fewer, better basics, and it'll eliminate I have nothing to wear purchases. So to seal the system and double your options again, we're going to add one more simple piece. One more soft, versatile blouse quietly doubles your outfit count to 16, and this principle lasts a lifetime. Add a second blouse that flatters your coloring. Again, keep it muted, dependable, and easy to repeat. My mom encouraged me to get a suit with a muted color. I chose a real soft plaid. It was very muted. And then I had two blouses. I had that crisp blouse that I could wear during the day and a ruffled blouse that transformed it. So it's basically what we're doing here. I had a smart base with multiple. So like that suit, your base pieces are the canvas for you to know how you want to feel. Your mornings get shorter, your confidence gets louder, and now you're having a clear path to reliable, repeatable capsules. But let's look for your next step. You're building that matching neutral base, smart blouse, 8 outfits. You've added a second neutral and topped it with one more blouse for 16 looks. So here's a little homework, if you will. Commit to one closet session this week and pull your 2 neutral sets in that first blouse. And now you're going to start with your basic capsules. And if that is your goal, to have those clothing capsules to be ready each morning for work or play, don't make it harder than it needs to be. Grab my basic wardrobe selections for your clothing selections made easy and with confidence in my descriptions below. And please click the video on the screen and I'll show you right now how to understand your body shape and the secret to flattering accessories. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You'll find it's one of your best accessories to your confidence journey.